Okay, coming in through the garage door, here's a tour of the house. So we have the front door here, and then we come into the kitchen. We've kind of cleaned everything up as much as possible. Have a little table and chair there, and clean the counter somewhat. Then we walk over here to the living room, and we have the living room and the dining room, and the see-through kitchen. So then we come back over here and you can take a look at the patio out here and the pretty walk to the lake. You come back inside and you see the living room, nice and open. And then you come back here to the bedroom. This is the hall closet. And we've got the master bedroom. It's pretty open. Not a lot of stuff anymore. The master bath, closet, bathroom. You come back out and you see the hallway again, and over here is the piano room, extra bedroom, another walk-in closet, and then here's the main floor laundry. All utilities are included, and another full bathroom with tubs. So we have 2 full bathrooms on the main floor, and then we go down the steps, and we pretty much cleaned this out as well. Still working on a little bit of it. Here's the family room, and then there's a sewing room, another full bathroom, another large bedroom, large closet, and then exercise room. Put a little bit of light on back here. Lots of storage still left. And then the back storage room as well. So that's it. It's up for sale. People are looking already. We've got it for sale by owner. This is my little sewing room. Everything's been pretty well cleaned out. We're excited. We're open for business.